guys, welcome back into another daily recap. Today is the 1st of December 2021, and of course we're going to do our usual recap on gold and Bitcoin as usual. So as you can see, these were the price sensitivity areas of the morning. As you can see, right after making the analysis, because today I made it quite early. Let me check it the exact time. We saw that immediately 1795 was a strong PSA for a rejection. Let me show you the analysis. Over here, as you can see, it was done like 20 minutes past 6, and the price was not there yet. As you can see, it went doing the 6 hour, the 6 hourly candle, and we rejected exactly 1795. After that, in the next hours of London session, we got a huge correction. So as you can see, from 1795 ish, we went like around 70 pips below. We retested these previous PSA and we bounced off from 1781, from 1785, and now we are right before New York Open. I don't know the price action, how it's going to be, so we're going to see as per usual. As you can see, the price reacted more or less at this PSA, not exactly on the dot, but reacted at this huge cluster of price. As you can see, reacted multiple times at this level, 1777, and then bounced up. I don't know if it gave also some trade setup. So far we are still very bullish, but we are starting to see very strong. Let me just remove those. We're starting to see some multiple rejections at this key level 1789, which we failed to break during London after just this previous spike up. After that we went in a bearish trend, and after that now we are starting into a slow correction. So for buys, we never got a retest here of the level 1781. This one would be like 10 pips would be too high to enter. No retest here either. Flat candle body support being printed here, but I mean not the cleanest price action as per the levels market. So let's see now at London at New York Open what is going to happen here. So this one is London Open. New York Open makes a top week. So for sells we have this PSA. This one 1782 I think is more on the high time frame. 1782, yeah, it's on the high time frame. We're going to see here what is going to happen. Okay, so we made a top week. Let's see the very next candles. Okay, looks like a break and retest of the level 1786. I was looking at this candle. This candle looks pretty nice. The only thing is didn't really engulf it. Didn't really engulf the full move. So yeah, 10 pips is a little bit too short. We go for the 15 pips. It's a really nice candle setup. Only thing, I mean, it broke below those previous lows. We are creating lower highs, and New York made a top week. So let's see how it goes. Okay, as you can see, after going to only 22 pips, 23 pips, price bounced back up and into candles would have got the stop loss out with no no mercy, I would say. This one might be a nice re-entry. I think I'm suspecting that the price action is a little bit too wide to use like 15 pips stop loss. So I would wait for better confirmation as smaller candles to enter like these ones. I would, it might just go to 1781 and it would be fine. But look, this price action for me is too strong. We are making a double bottom here. There's no real entry unless really you see a double bottom and this candle close, but you still have to be very bullish, and it's very difficult to be very bullish after this price action, after these two bearish candles. Strong rejection. Bounce up. This one might have been a nicer entry in trend with a nice retest of the area 1786, 1789. Yeah, as you can see, we would have gone to TP, but I think live, yeah, the candle setup is very good, but it's very aggressive. It's not easy, in my opinion, to take this entry. But yes, indeed, it's a break and retest. I don't know if I want to count it as an entry that I would like, that I will take. Why not? It's the same. This one, 30 pips. Let's see if we go to break even or we go to the second TP. Looks like we're going to get to I don't know. Yeah, to break even or to TP. I don't know. It's very messy. Of course, after getting 30 pips out of it, we are just running at break even, so we don't care where the price is going. But what we are seeing is a multiple rejections of this price sensitivity of this price. So we might start to see further continuation down, and especially would like to take either high risk high reward sells here if I see a retest or below the level. Okay, so far is going as it is. Okay, so no real retest, very aggressive candle. Let's see if we have now, look, it followed exactly the lines. If we have further entry, now we reacted at the same price sensitivity area. Let's see if we have a nicer retest, like the very, you can go even here, and for me it would be fine. It's working exactly as the plan, but I don't think I would have entered no top wick at all. Rejection. Okay, so now this one is already New York Stock Exchange opening. Okay, this might be a nice rejection candle at the same PSA. So I will take the risk to take advantage of this one, in this case even 10 pips of the continuation bearish. Looks like it is not good. Yes, 10 pips stops. Okay, let me just remove those. Okay, continuation bullish looks like. Pin bar, very aggressive pin bar. So I will possibly take a second entry here. 15 pips, 45. Okay, let's see if I will be, yeah, we will be at break even. Okay, so we get 30 pips partials and then break even the rest. Okay, very strong rejection, exactly at the same PSA. Okay, yeah, would have been a loss. Too volatile, too rangy, in my opinion. Yeah, it will go clean just after grabbing some more liquidity over here. So this one was a new hourly candle, but not a 4 hour. But let's see if we go here, cleaner candles. Is it an entry here? Let's see. Let's wait for a retest. Okay. Yeah, actually, this one could have been a nice entry. Stopped out. Yeah, no. Price was already bouncing on the opposite side. So, another rejection over here. Crazy. I think I'm just fighting a range. Yeah, I don't really like the price action. 26 pips. Yeah, we go to TP, but look how shit the price action is. So this one is a good entry. This one was a loss for like 10 pips. Because we close here when the price closes above our PSA as usual. So we got 30 pips loss, 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 win. Another rejection might be a nice entry over here. Let's see. Okay, not closing above. Going to 30 pips and then to break even. I think, I assume, yeah, 30 pips and then break even. Another rejection. Let's see. No real entry. Yeah, the volume is not the best. This one is a bigger candle, but we are at exactly at the PSA, so we'll only take below 1781. Okay, let's see if we have a retest. Very small retest. Short 10 pips. Yeah, would have been out here. 7 pips. Stop loss. Possible re-entry over here. Okay. I mean, this is a shitty price action anyway. So as you can see, yeah, you get out at 10 pips. And you are done for the day. I mean, you see, it just goes when he wants with no real confirmation. But as you can see, we got like 2 losses from 10 pips, 10 pips, 1 full win, 1 partial win, 1 full win, 1 other partial win, and 2 minor losses. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 out of 3, 5, 3. Okay, yeah, 8 trades, 5 losses, and 3 wins. Let's go on Bitcoin and see the same. So these were the huge PSAs that I was chatting from the morning. Pretty shitty hourly candle chart. Let's see on the 1 minute. If we have some cleaner reactions over there, let's see above here, we are making so this one, yeah, is New York open. We are making new. We are bullish. Let's see if we have a retest. Slightly deeper, but might be a nice entry. Let's see how many pips we are above. Okay, now we should be fine. Okay, very good. Very good. 45 pips easily. As you can see, price retested just one more time more the PPL and then just went straight 30 pips and 40 pips. As you can see, no real re-entry here. Let me just put it like this. Very good. This is a nice pin bar. I would say. Let's see if it would have played out or not. Now I see that as a strong rejection, but if I was live, yeah, would have gone out. Yeah, and they can close like 10 pips. Okay. Okay, no real entry over there. Strong rejection. Now we are very in a very impulsive, strong bullish price action, and we have the 58 PSA 58 500 58 500 here. Okay, so we have to be careful. Retesting these previous lows. So a candle, another week, lower week, and entering with the candle that close above here. Let's see if we have it. Yeah, not really liking the close, so I would wait. So yeah, entering probably live over here when the candle was breaking above. Okay, let's see if we go to 30 pips. 30 pips partials taken. Remember that we are at this candle, this price sensitivity area, very, very important. And we go to TP over there. So two nice wins, as you can see, very, very nice. Retest, very strong rejection. Let's see if we have further rejection. Not entry yet. I mean, it's the first sign of rejection. The second, actually, this is the first, but we are not changing the bias yet. Okay. We are actually making new higher highs. So I don't know if this one would have been a nice, this would have been a nice entry. It's kind of shadowed by these candles. This huge, it's not very strong, it's not going above. If it went like here, then it would have been fine. I'm talking about this candle. So no real entry. Of course, now it is a good, it is a nice break and retest, but this one, if it closed slightly above, would have been perfect. Strong rejection. Okay. Okay, do we have enough confirmation of entering cells? I think we don't. Then just remove this one, which is a trend line. Okay. So because we are still here, not yet. Very good. Are we still looking for buys? Let's see if we have a further retest. Another reaction over here. And this one could be, I mean, I don't like it because now we have too many rejections. So it's not a clean break and retest over here. I don't know if I like it. Let's see how it goes. No candle closing below. Okay, we reached 30 pips. We also went to TP. So would have been pretty nice. 3 trades on Bitcoin, as you can see, in trend without trying to distract ourselves from sells until we have a clean price action confirming it. Now we can retest. Okay, let's see if now we have a stronger. Of course, I would only consider sells now below this PPL. Okay, now as you can see, we are making a sort of connection. We can start making a trend line. So let's see below here and below this level. Okay, are we retesting here? Yes. So let's see. Very high risk, high reward entry. Still, but we are fine encountering very much resistance over there. Slightly below the PPL. but still we are active. I didn't want to close. I mean, I will close above over there. As you can see, no candle closes, and it's another full TP hit. So very good. Very good. We had a trend line. This was a very high risk. Of course, we had further confirmation of, I mean, multiple confirmation of price not breaking above our peers. If we close here, I will get got out. Okay, let's see now if we have another entry. Okay, not the cleanest. Where is reacting? You're reacting over here, but I don't really like it. Possible this one. Too high risk. No, there was no candle setup at all. If it had a top week, then okay. Okay. No. Give me some better close like this one. Let's see if now we have some further continuation or not. Yeah, would have probably been stopped out. I mean, we are stopped out here. That's a shame because for like the stop loss was 15,805, 58,003. Yeah, is less than 1 pip. Of course, we are out, but the perception, the setup was really good. Only thing was like we needed like 17, 18 pips, but it's very unfortunate. But do we have further entries? If we got stopped out here and we see this candle, yeah, possibly we can re-enter the same exact candle. Yes, and get to take profit. Okay. Or even stop, please. Stop. Even this one, actually. Maybe we don't enter straight away. Well, let's see if we enter straight away. Or even we have this further enter here. Look, engulfing those previous lows. Not this one, but very, very strong rejection at the PPL. The 15 pips would be well built above. And we go to TP. First bounce, break and retest over here. Let's see, counter trend, very aggressive. Just because we had those wins, we can take some gamble. Okay, no close below the PPL. Yeah, we got the close over here, so 10 pips out. And this one is a nice re-entry in trend. Even this pin, but it's of course inside. Okay, do we get to 30 pips? Yes, so we are break even. and we reach TP again. We could have got also another re-entry here. Yes. Okay, let's see below here. I mean, now it's getting riskier because the impulsive move is very, very strong. It's been for many, many pips. But let's see. Okay. Yeah, we never get those 30 pips. So this one is actually a full 15 pips loss. And we are over. Let's see. This is another possible entry, but I mean, it's very late and it's very, very. Um, it's been a long journey down from 59 till 56, so it's almost 300 pips move down, which we actually, oof, as you can see, never think about it. Uh, yeah, as you can see, doesn't it's not but it's not good thinking what I do. It's not like okay, now you should stop. Why? But anyway, we got a lot of. So this one, the first one was a loss, then a win, another win, a gamble loss, another win, win, win. We took advantage of all the trend, as you can see, the way up and the way down, way down, way down. So it's very, very nice. See you guys tomorrow.